Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Discord server easy and quickly. But before I begin, please like the video and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. Go to discord.com. Then click Login if you already have an account. Now enter your email or phone number and password you used to create your account. Go to the bottom left of the Discord home screen, and click Add Server. Click Create My Own. Then for me and my friends. Now name your server. Don't worry about this, as you can always change it later on. You can also add a server picture here. Alright, now you've officially made a Discord server. You can invite your friend via direct message, or you can edit your server. Also, if this video gets 20 likes, I'll make another video about setting up Discord servers to look professional. In the meantime, join my Discord server, link in the description.